Oh, today's the big day. Time to get it lowered. So all that gap, it's right here. Oh shit, got a chip. But so much fucking gap right there. So about to get the new spacers. It just came in the mail. So I got the new ones. Just gonna drop it to 2 inches on the front, and no, it's gonna drop it 1.8 in the front and 1.9 in the back, so almost 2 inches. Because all that just looks so tacky. You gotta excuse the car because I know the car dirty or whatever, but all that space gotta go. Don't judge my car, man. It's been I forget what that stuff is called, man. Like when it have a sandstorm and it rains behind it out here in Arizona. So shit's weird. So let's get ready to go in the shop now.